Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today I will show you how to fix auto rotate not working on Samsung. So sometimes what happens is that whenever you try to rotate your screen, then the photo or the video might not rotate. So in this case, what you need to do is that make sure that your auto rotate is on, so make sure that you have turned it on. After that, try again. If it's still not working, then try rebooting your device. So sometimes what happens is that a restart is just you need to fix any problem in your Android device. If you are playing any games and it cannot rotate to portrait, then it means that the display, the appearance of the game is made to be in landscape. Make sure that your game doesn't have separate feature for the auto rotate, and that's it. That's basically what you need to do in order to fix auto rotate in Samsung. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.